कि मैं इसको तोड़ूं, फोड़ूं, फेंक दूं, स्क्रैचेस करूं, कुछ भी करूं। New day, new morning. Still feeling hot. See you on the bike. अभी पीछे वाले पकड़ने लग गया हेलमेट. Yesterday it was raining so heavily. Now what has happened is my seat does not have that cover on it, so it has soaked all the water. Now since the seat is dried, but when I'm sitting and when it is bouncing, that water is coming out, and my left bum is wet. क्या सुंदर नज़ारा है यार मेरे सामने हमारे रोड्स का. You see that? Just before the signal so that they can catch us. And they stand right over there. कितना ख्याल रखते हो लोग अपना. Hey, don't change your lane, buddy.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
I am changing the lane. I am giving him ज्ञान that you should not change your lane. You see this? ये है आम जिंदगी और ये है मेंटोस जिंदगी. यहाँ पर लोग हैं जो 4-4 मिरर लगा के रखते हैं. देन वहाँ पर एक लोग है कि एक भी मिरर ही नहीं लगाते. What the? बाप रे. मुंबई लाइफ. I was just come on uncle. क्या ही कर लेते हो यार आप लोग ये.
देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला.
I'm so sorry dude. I just scared it. I mean we both got confused who is going from where. What the heck? Not a single thing has happened. Today everyone is acting so civilized. There is scarcity of content today. Oi. Chala. What man?
थोड़ा देर के लिए वहाँ पे गोटी मुँह में था.
My heart skipped a beat. Whew. He did not give a signal, right? I don't think so. My ABS got activated. I pressed the brake so hard. Means I just twisted the throttle and suddenly it stopped. I could feel that the brake biting the ABS. That vibration. Oh, what? He wants to go. I think he was riding on the right hand, I mean on this particular side of the road, and then he switched his sides thinking that it would be a little less chaotic that side, and I did a mistake. Oh ho ho ho. Uncle needs any help? सर कुछ हेल्प चाहिए? चलेगा ना? अरे उनका गाड़ी बंद हो गया है. तो उनका गाड़ी बंद हो गया तो मैं जगह नहीं देगा उनको. इडियट. Bloody hell man, I need to check now. Stupid man, stupid. But this passenger who was sitting behind, she just said sorry and all. So like, kid, I don't want to just argue and waste my time. Like, blind people. Bloody, I take care of my bike so nicely, and these people just want to ruin it. They don't have any humanity or what? That fellow, he's struggling to start his bike. His bike has gone bad. So of course, I was just trying to help him and give him some space. How stupid of him, yeah. He could have just at least honked. I mean, it's my bike, man. I have paid, I have worked hard for it. I have all the rights कि मैं इसको तोड़ूं, फोड़ूं, फेंक दूं, scratches करूं, कुछ भी करूं. You don't have the right. And on top of it, he's arguing with me. That lady was kind enough and she just started saying sorry. So then I just thought, just let go. I don't want to waste my time and arguing with people who don't even have sense. He almost broke my mirror, man. No, actually it's not broken. The build quality of Royal Enfield is amazing.
इतना कुछ है?
What to say? I was just talking like 5 minutes ago that I'm not getting content, and I got it. But did you see that? He hit my mirror so hard. उसका mirror पूरा बंद हो गया, ऐसा अंदर घुस गया, and my just bent a little. That's the build quality of Royal Enfield, guys. Still, I'm so sorry, yeah. Just have some humanity, guys. I just hope there's nothing, no damage. Hero, huh? Look at this. Even he's adjusting his phone inside the helmet. If you have something important, just stop for some time. I know Abhishek Bachchan has taught us that walk and talk, but he never taught us ride and talk. Bad joke. I'm sorry. Please don't leave my channel. आजकल पाँव ज़मीं पर.
Stop it.
Hey BMC. Who is responsible for bad roads? उसका खुद का BMC का B गायब है. Such an irony. He is working for an organization who is responsible for bad roads. क्या कर रहा है वो? चले गया पार्क करके. And his uncle is not wearing helmet. My God, is that fellow watching YouTube on his bike? My goodness, oh yes, he is. Bro, watch my videos.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Oh my God, no, never do that. Don't get distracted. That's all I want to say.